What's up, operators? This is Jet Desert Fox, and this is part 4 of my American Milsim Faded Giant 3 series. I'm still holding rear security on a first floor door while a squad of reinforcements attempt to retake the hallway the rest of our squad died in. Hi, bad guys!
Hey, Jet, how you looking down there?
Yeah, no. Alright. It. Not good. They closed off the second part of the corridor.
I copy that. You still want me posted up top? Building 3.
Say again, say again.
That was a solid copy on your last. You still want me posted up?
I got it. I got us. Don't worry. Say again, Lauren.
So that was a solid copy on your left. Did you still want me posted up top?
Roger, you're my fallback point.
Copy that.
Hey, dead man, don't hold doors, man.
They're coming up to the door.
That's outside of the building.
Hey, if you stand right in here,
So,
they can do it to you.
back up, back up, back up, back up, back up. Whoa, shit. Huh? Wait, I got it. Oh,
You're hit, dude.
Please quit shooting me.
I know, I'm sorry, I'm sorry.
No, I'm just trying to get out of the way. I'm dead too. Next thing, Will.
Hey, I'm dead in the hallway, so I'm staring.
We meet again. Oh, we're over there. What are you doing, bro? What are you crying on? Tell me just left word. You crying on? Wait, no, that's gonna come on. What? Three. No, I know.
Tango down.
Right around the fucking block.
I'm head out here. Head out
Hey man, sorry for shooting you so much, dude.
Yeah, I'm getting back to work.
Oh! You saw that?
That gun battle was pretty insane and almost unbelievable that I was not hit. Let's take a more detailed look into the engagement.
Back up, back up, back up.
Enemy players open both the exterior doors and throw in a Thunder Bee grenade. My teammate and I are both safe because we are in a separate room behind a door. The first enemy through the door is looking down the hallway and is easily shot. The second enemy sees my position but is unable to hit me because almost all of my body is behind the door. Simultaneously, as he moves towards me, I close the door. The second and third enemy are now on the other side of the door. They force the door open and I get a clear shot on the third enemy's arm. My positioning is also very important. As the door opens, I stay to the right so that I'm only exposed to the third enemy. As the door swings completely open, I move to my left to take cover behind the wall. As I move, you can clearly see the second enemy engaging my teammate on the stairs behind me. The second enemy calls hit and a fourth enemy enters from outside. It looks like this player is engaging me and it even sounds like he hits me. He is actually engaging and hitting my teammate behind me on the stairs. You can clearly hear my teammate getting hit and immediately calling himself out along with some bad words. I hope that this breakdown helped give a better understanding of this very intense engagement.
10 minutes!
Who's shooting us from over there? In the tree line. Probably my sniper. I lost a flag. Probably my sniper.
Oh, I need to back up.
Dead!
Okay. Just making sure I wasn't getting shot in the back. Lauren, come to me, come to me.
Yeah, what's up, good?
Need back up.
What?
Stay right there. Just stay up there. Just stay up there. Hey, that squad is cut off from us now.
There's no stairway to get to the top hallway.
Nope, the only, it's just the doorway out. I don't know if I hit that guy. Here's what I need to do, Lauren. I have intel and cards on me. I need to get them back to command. What? Okay. Can you hold this while I backtrack? All right. There's a friendly squad in there. I'll be back, Lauren.
Even though this is where Robo Squad was, I still need to be on alert for enemies.
Robo! Three! Robo!
What's up?
Oh my god. Hey,
We got something down the stairs, man.
look. We got 2 wiped squads down that way. I've got enemy intel. I need to get back up. If I stay down here, I'm gonna die and give it up to him.
You don't have to give up enemy intel.
Yeah, you do.
If you have enemy intel, you don't have to give it up. You said you give up whatever else you don't have. Or you have.
Okay. How are you guys over here?
We're good right now.
Okay. We might have to fall back. Brock, we should fall back to our main room, dude.
Think so?
Yeah.
You got guys pushing down.
Oh, ow. Fucking hell, you guys. Fucking PID, god damn it. Oh.
Unfortunately, that team kill is going to end part 4 of my American Milsim Faded Giant 3 series. Stick around for part 5 when we regroup with the rest of the squad. As always, this is Jet Desert Fox, and I'll see you on the field.
Grenade!